This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Shopify and signing into the exact account you'll credit. Once signed in, go straight to the redeem page. This is faster than changing settings first. Enter the gift card code exactly as shown, uppercase, hyphens if present, because one wrong character stops redemption. While you type, make sure your account country matches the card issuer. If they differ, the site will reject the code, and you'll need to change your account country or use a compatible card. Next, choose web or mobile based on convenience. Web tends to be more reliable. Go to the redeem screen, paste or type the code, and hit redeem. Don't rely on autofill without checking. If Shopify asks, pick the premium plan or let it apply as account credit. The service converts the card to time or balance depending on region and value. Once accepted, you'll see confirmation and an updated billing or expiration notice. Save that for reference in case support is needed. Finish by checking account overview for the new expiry date or credit balance to confirm the gift applied. If redemption fails, try basic fixes. Clear browser cache, use a different browser or device, or redeem via desktop instead of mobile. These steps solve most errors. If problems persist, contact Shopify support with the code, purchase receipt, and screenshots. That evidence speeds resolution. Finally, store the original card or email safely. You'll need it if the code must be reissued or disputed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.